Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Streamlabs and your Xbox Live account because Streamlabs needs that Xbox authorization to capture gameplay. Once done, install Streamlabs Desktop on a capable PC. This reduces lag and lets you use overlays. Make sure your Xbox and PC are on the same local network so remote play or console stream works reliably. Finally, enable two-factor authentication and Xbox's game streaming/home console setting to allow the connection to register securely and consistently. Next, you bring the Xbox feed into Streamlabs. If using Remote Play, run the Xbox app on PC and connect, then add it as a window capture. If using a capture card, plug HDMI from Xbox to card and card to PC, then add a video capture device source in Streamlabs and select that card. Once connected, adjust resolution and FPS to match your upload. 1080p at 60 frames gives quality, but choose 720p at 60 if bandwidth is limited. Then set audio mix so game and mic balance correct. Now finalize your broadcast. Paste the platform stream key into Streamlabs, assemble scenes, overlays, alerts, and set bitrate to fit your upload speed. Test privately and record a short clip to confirm audio sync and visual quality. If you see dropped frames or stuttering, make sure PC and Xbox are wired to the router, lower bitrate or resolution, update capture card firmware and GPU drivers, and restart the Xbox app or Streamlabs. These steps usually resolve common connectivity and performance problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.